Hi guys, and in today's video I will be reviewing some amazing products I got from a company based out of LA. So please stay tuned to the end so you don't miss out on some amazing beauty. Hi guys, I'm Kelsey and this is Always Sunshine, where we try to bring a little bit of sunshine to your makeup. And yes guys, you heard right. Today I have some amazing products that I did receive from a company based out in LA, and I did receive a variation of gel nail polishes. Yes guys, you heard right. Gel nail polishes have arrived to the channel. So this company is, like I said, based out of LA, and they are Nail Addict L.A. and these are the puppies that they send me my way. I will be giving you guys a home review and also a tech professional review. But first thing first, I do want to clarify that I am not getting paid for this honest review. Like I'm telling you guys, the only thing I did receive the products for free for me to do a review for this company. So like I said, honest review from my part forward. Guys, I did receive 5 products, 5 different shades, one of them being the top shade and one of them being the top coat. As you guys, if you use gel, you know that you need a UV gel or a lamp to actually cure or seal the colors in. So the company did provide those 2 products that are the must need in the actual process, and I did receive 3 different shades. The first shade being this baby right here, which is Friday Night. And guys, when you actually go to their website, which is nailaddict.com, you guys will only see popping out like 12 to 13 colors, but don't worry, when you actually hit that shade of color, you go into the whole variation of shades for that color. This baby right here is from their Purple Violet. To me, is a little bit more on the violet side. I did choose this baby because you guys know I love me some purple. So I'm gonna open it up and actually show you this lovely color. Very vibrant. The next shade that I picked, and I picked most of these shades because summer's coming up. Well, not particularly that one, I just love purple. But the next 2, because summer is coming up, and you guys know most of the pastels and electric colors on the light side are very summery. So I did pick this next baby, which is Zest Extra, and it's in the blue type of coral family. I'll open it up for you guys. Or the blue pastels, whichever color category you guys define it as. To me, is the coral family. And last but not least, I also did choose the Electric Rose. This baby right here. Don't let this color on the top fool you. This baby is electric, as you will see right here. Very nice. The quality of the products, when I opened it, looked very consistent, very nice to me. But as you guys know, you cannot judge polished shades off of what they look like. You have to actually try the color on your nails, let it cure, and let these babies get to work. So now with that being said, let's get to the juicy part. I had my daughter actually apply the colors for me in my house. I do have myself a UV lamp, so I did not have to purchase one. But guys, I cannot stress this part enough. For the actual products to work, you do have to own a UV/LED lamp. Also, addictnails.com do have on their websites some babies, so you could check right out and see they have UV and they do have LED lamps. So if you guys don't have none, they have the whole package for you there. So now let's get into these actual babies. My little notes of my daughter. The first, like I said, I had my daughter apply the bottom coat, and I did seal my nails for 30 to 45 seconds, like the instructions that Nail Addict does ship you with the products for you to actually follow step by step. Next, she did apply a thin layer of the Pink Electric somewhere around here in the screen. I will be having a video of her actually applying the products from home. You're gonna see my little setup station, my little UV lamp, and my daughter actually applying the products, guys. You could apply as many coats as you want until you get your desired shade, but it's only recommended up to 3 coats. Guys, remember, we do have to seal the color or cure the color every time you put in an application. And to finalize your look, you do have to use the top coat and actually seal your nails, like I said, 30 to 45 seconds. I myself do prefer to do the last step twice to really seal and cure my nails in. Now, when that step is over at the end, they do say or recommend that you do remove any residue with, you could use alcohol pads or regular non-rubbing alcohol that you have laying around in your house. You just take any Q-tip or any type of cloth and just like rub off any Aztecs product, and your nails should be beautiful. Somewhere here in the screen, like I said, I will be having the finished product from my daughter actually applying the colors. And also later on in the video, I will have videos and photos of my tech actually applying my colors. Now, for the home review, my daughter did have to say that it was very easy for her to apply the colors. They were not runny, it was not messy, the quality was actually good, and they were, like I said, it was like totally no mess. My daughter approved it. I also, from the experience that we had in the house, I am totally in love with the quality of the products, also with the color. So now we're gonna go to my my tech girl. Like I told you guys, I wanted to give you two types of reviews, one at home and also one with a professional. So I did take my colors to my nail tech. To tell you guys off the back, she was a little bit iffy about using products that she really didn't know, because you know how fuzzy nails tech are when they do your nails. But I had convinced her and I told her what was the reason I wanted her to actually use these colors, and she went right ahead and agreed. So let me tell you, Miss Honey did have a change of tone when she finished. She said she loves the products. The quality are very good quality. She had no problems, and she did marble. She did spirals. She did a whole bunch of different patterns with her, with these ingredients that she does with her normal ones, and she had no problems with the actual quality of the product. She told me she gives it 2 thumbs up. She was actually questioning me about the company, and I gave her a couple of details how she could get in contact with them so she could actually purchase these products. That's how happy she was with them. I was also happy with the variation in the house. So guys, now with that being said, Nail Addict was being a little bit generous, and they did provide a promo code for you guys. If any of you guys are interested in the actual company, you could look them up at nailaddict.com, which is their website, or you could also try to follow them on Instagram, which is nailaddict_LA. Like I said, they do have a whole bunch of gel colors, over 100 different colors, guys. They have shimmers, they have glitters, they have mattes, they have creams, they have a whole variation. And also they do have, like I told you guys, the UV gels and the UV gel machine and the LED machine in their actual website. Everything will be in the link below in this video, but for you guys, like I said, you could go to their website, you could go to their Instagram and totally check out these babies. I do want to give them a thank you for your generosity of giving you guys minimum of 2 purchases. You get 45. Yes, guys, you heard right. 45% off of your total purchase if you use the promo code KILSEY during checkout. Remember, it's a minimum of 2, and you will get 45% off your entire purchase using promo code KILSEY at the end. I do want to extend my gratitude. Thank you so much to Nail Addict for reaching out for me to this review. I am totally 100% behind your company. I hope you guys grow. Thank you so much, guys. If you're interested, like I said one more time, nailaddict.com, Instagram nailaddict_LA. Everything will be in the links below. This is Kelsey from AllwaySunshine. Guys, before we go, you can also follow me on Instagram and on Twitter at AllwaySunshine. Little bit of love over there, little bit of love over here. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one, and please do not forget these 2 videos.